Hello, my daily routine. My name is Daisy Costa Ortega. I'm 39 years old. I'm a primary school teacher. This is my daily routine. I usually get up at 5 a.m. I prepare breakfast for my husband and my children who are leaving for school. After that, I shower at 10 a.m. and brush my teeth. Then I fix the house. Sometimes I prepare lunch at 11 a.m. Then I go to work at 12 o'clock. I return from my house at 6 p.m. I take dinner at 7:20 o'clock with my family. I always check my email and watch TV with my husband. I study English at 10 p.m. Finally, I go to bed. Thank you.